Okay, here in Wisconsin, got a 2019 Grand Sport, and we're putting on the Stage 3 splitter. And I'm going to put this, winglets, they go on the sides. Shouldn't be too hard. Let's see how it goes. In the instructions, put on this tape, go it all out, and it sticks underneath. And I know from past experience that it sticks once and you can't get it off. So the best way to do this is to put it on one side. And then when you only pull off the one side of the tape after you screw it up, well, screw it to the car. Up the piece, peel it back. There. And now just tighten up the screws, and then I'll work on the side things. Next up, so I got the bolts in. Then there's, I believe, 10 where I took out the rivets. They give you screws and washers to put on the outside holes. Go on there. Hopefully those just go right into the old holes. So I took those 3 screws. I forget what these are. T15s. And then this goes right there. And then you're supposed to mark that so I can drill holes and use the bolts to hold it together. Looks good.